G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate, and welcome to my new listing at 55 Blair Street in beautiful New Norfolk. We're in an ideal location, walking distance to all services New Norfolk has to offer. We've got a 3-bedroom home, 2 lounge rooms, open plan living with well established gardens. Let's go in and take a look. We're in an ideal location if you've been looking to step into the market or to build your portfolio. We've got a garage, barbecue area and well-established gardens. For more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.